I am Muhammad Azhar and I am here to teach you the use of can, could and be able to.
Good.
For example, let's start from can. We use can when something is possible or allowed. Like, I can see you. Here I was allowed or I am allowed to see you or it is possible for me to see you. There is another situation where you can use can. Somebody has the ability to do something. For example, I asked you a question, can you speak any foreign language? Here was here I was asking about an ability of someone to do something. Let's move further. Now we will discuss about cannot. We use cannot, like I will give you an example. I'm afraid I can't come to the party on Friday. Like here I'm giving a negative situation. Further we will move between the we will discuss the difference between can and be able to. We use can because it's more usual, but in certain situations it becomes necessary to use be able to. Like I give you an example, Tom can come tomorrow. Here can is usual. But if we think in this perspective, Tom might be able to come tomorrow. Here we are, it becomes necessary for us to use be able to. Further, we will discuss about could. Could is the past form of can. Could is the past form of can, and we use it.
Okay, this is very well, excellent. I wish you had the handout also. Overall explanation is really awesome.
फ्रैक्चर या मास पढ़ा सकता है तीन हाथ
अच्छा अच्छा, I'm sorry.
अभी भी
Allah आपको सेहत में, but it's all very good. I can see the energy, spark and passion. Keep it up.
Yeah, sure.
You can become a good trainer.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Please.